Hey guys, welcome back here. In last lecture we explained what is a state. In this lecture we'll talk about props. So let's start. We want to send some data to rental card. So let's go to rental card. And what we want to send here? We can send here practically anything. So let's say this class of a call MD3. So I will cut this string from here, Command X, and let's go to rental list. And you can pass data by typing on a component name of a property. Let's call it call num, and let's assign to this string we just copied. And now we are sending to rental card this prop call num. Save it and let's go to rental card. And here you can receive props by specifying here props argument on rental card. And let's place here debugger so we know what we are getting here. So debugger, save everything, and let's go to browsers. Alright, let's inspect the page and let's refresh. And now you can see I'm getting inside of the rental card function, and here I'm getting props. And you can see I'm getting call num. Amazing. So I can display it. Here I can remove debugger, and on a class name let's write curly braces and a props call num. That's what we are getting here. Save it and let's go back to the browsers. Let's wait for refresh, and now we are displaying nice rentals as before. And go back to our coding editors, to rental list, and now I can change this class, let's say for call MD6. Let's save it, go back to browsers, and now you can see I'm displaying 2 rentals per row, because width of this rental is 6 columns, and in total we have 12 columns here, so 6 and 6. Before we had 3, so 4 rentals in total in one row. So I can revert it for a MD3 here. Alright, save everything now. Let's take a look inside of our browsers, and it's working as before. So guys, that's basically a props. Nothing special here. When you inspect the page, actually, we should get probably error here, because you can see each child in array or iterator should have a unique key prop. So let's go back, and when we are iterating these rental cards, you need to create here key property as is specified in an error. Each iterated element should have a key. So let's do it. I can access index here by providing index argument here, and now I can place this index on a key property here. So key and equals index like this. I will save it and go back to browsers, refresh the page, and now I'm getting no errors here. Amazing. So guys, that should be it. I hope you understand now render function, state, and the props. If something is not clear, please let me know in the comments, and that's it from this lecture. In the next lecture, we will talk about the routing, and we will create a detailed view of a rental. So guys, see you in the next lecture.